Hi friends, you're feeling about your laptop as well as for the desktop is too slow. Don't worry, you can watch this video fully. Then your laptop or else for the desktop it will be speed up 100% sure. After complete this video you can comment below, that time only I could know it is helpful or not. And those who are a new user, please you can subscribe this channel, you can watch continuously for getting continuous video on it. And after complete this video kindly thumbs up, okay, that time only I could know it is helpful, as well as I will get one motivation of it. Okay, once you are posting for such kind of new videos, it will be helpful for each and every, and you can make use of it this video, as well as you can share to your friends also, those who are expecting those who are worrying about maximize the speed. Okay friends, let me go inside how we can do it, we will see. This is the first step. We are going to look advanced system settings. You can type it in the search box, then you can click view advanced system settings. Under here you can select for advanced. Under the advanced you can select performance. Okay, the performance we are going to increase, and normally you can normally it is available Windows, choose, okay, the first option. But what you have to do, you can select for the custom option and you can click for show shadows under mouse pointer, and you can read it one by one which is relevant to you, which is required for your work as well as for your business. Just you can select, and which is not required, just you can remove it. That is what I have done. Which is required I kept, and which is not required I removed all those things. And over here you have to select for show shadows under mouse pointer. That is what I have done. And next what you have to do, just you can give us apply and okay. This is what the first step you have to do it, and give us okay and close this dialog box. This will be the second one, temporary files we are going to delete. So you have to go for run command, you can type it %temp %. Okay, these are all the junk files we are going to delete at one time. You can select Ctrl+A, you can give all junk files has been deleted. Right now it is available 223 items. These all 223 items I am going to close right now. Suppose any programs will be open and you are doing this activity, some files may not be deleted. Don't worry about it, automatically it will be deleted later. Okay, so normally if you are doing for temporary, suppose 1 or 2 files will be open, in a sense it will show for try again. And next option will be only you can type it for temp. Earlier we put percentage, right now you don't want to put any percentage, just you can put for temp. This is the another temporary and junk file, same way you have to delete. You can select for Ctrl+A and you can delete it. Okay, so right now we have done all the files has been deleted. Only 2 files will be up here because I have opened some of the function which is relevant. Okay, and for the next one, prefetch, same run command you can go. Run command in order to open, Control R. Okay, then you have to type it prefetch. This is also a junk file, because junk file will be stored in our computer many of the places. That is what we are going to delete right now. You can select all and you can delete it. This will be the junk files deletion for the third. And for the next one, we are going to clean up for the disk. Okay, right now I am having just you can type it for clean over here, then it will be appear for disk cleanup. I am having only one disk in my laptop, that is C. Okay, suppose some people will having for D and something like that. Okay, you have to choose, and after that you have to clean up. Okay, it is having for only one disk, that's the reason automatically it is cleaning. It is not deleting any of your files. Okay, only for junk files as well as unwanted files, temporary files only it will be deleting. Okay, so you don't worry about it, your main files will be deleting or not. Okay, not like that, only for the junk files only deleting under the disk cleanup. Okay, after cleaning, this window will open. This window shows that each and every folders, how many MBs of files will be appear. Okay, that is what showing here. After done that cleanup, if you want to delete something else, you can select over here and give us okay, automatically it will delete. Over here you can look, 3 MB only for temporary files. Okay, this is a way you have to clean up your disk. Not only C, if you want to clean up your D or E drive, some other drive if you're keeping in a sense, you can give us OK. See, some files will be deleted. Whichever not deleted over there for the temporary folder, those files will be deleted. And next, what you have to do, you can go for task manager. In the task toolbar, you can right click and you can select for task manager, and over here you can select for the startups. Okay, under the startups, what you have to do, all Microsoft application you have to enable, and whichever application it is not useful, okay, on a day-to-day basis, if you are not opening in a sense, those things you can click and disable it. And over here I already disabled whichever not required for me. Whichever is required for you, you can enable. Okay, that is what showing over here. And over here running for only a couple of applications only. Suppose if it is running in your computer many of the applications, you have to disable. That time only it will boost up your performance of your laptop or else in the computer. Right now I have done, so I am not doing any changes. I am closing right now. Next, you have to go for search and you can type it for system configuration. That is configuration, you can type it, it will appear over there. You can select system configuration. Over here you can choose for services. In here you are not going to select or deselect, nothing else. Okay, just you are going to hide. Okay, one pop-up box will be there. Hide all Microsoft services, because it will be running at the backside. That's the reason we are going to hide and boost up our performance. Okay, just you can click as hide. Then what you have to do, you can give us OK. Next one, you have to go for run command and you can type it as regedit, or regidit, regedit. Okay, then over here you have to choose H key current user. Okay, or you can go up classes root and current user will be available H key. Under that you have to go for control panel. Okay, already it is available H key only. And under the control panel you can choose for mouse. Okay, mouse has been selected, and under the mouse, from here what you have to do, you have to select for mouse H over time. Normally it is available for 400, but you have to change it as 100. Sorry, you have to change it as 10. Okay, if it is 400, in a sense it will take a time, right? So you have to give us 10 and give us OK, because I already modified, that's the reason it's showing for 10. Once complete this one, as a same page you can go for desktop also. You can click menu show delay, click it. This is also will appear default 400, but you have to type it as 10. Okay, normally available for 400 only, but you have to change it as 10 and give us OK. Sometimes for the mouse you will click, it will not open. Okay, next one, defragment. Just you can type it defragment in your search box, and that will optimize your drivers. Okay, it will open like this. Then you can click this one, the window will appear. Because I'm having only one drive, suppose if you're having more than one drive, it will appear. Right now I have to optimize my driver. You have to select for the respective drive, optimize driver to help computer to run more efficiently. See, so each and every driver you have to optimize. That time only your computer will be faster and work in a healthy way. Okay, I have selected C drive and I am going to give us optimize right now. Yeah, it is optimizing. It will come for 1%. Then after that what you have to do, everything will be optimized. You have to close the window. See here, that is 100%. That is 1.0 in a sense, 100%. Next, you have to choose for power option. Power option will be very important thing. Okay, power and sleep settings, that one you can click. Normally it is available for the balanced one. Okay, and over here you can go for, come down, additional power settings, that one you have to choose. Okay, additional power settings, you have to choose it. And once you're opening, it will show for balance recommended. Okay, in your laptop it will show like that, because over here I changed. Then you can click create a power plan. Over here, see here, create a power plan, it's showing for balanced one, but you have to choose it for high performance. You can click as high performance. That means what? Fewer performance but may use more energy. If it is okay, you can choose it. Okay, if you're choosing for high performance, it will be helpful for you. And over here you can choose your option based upon your aspire. Okay, turn off the display. When you have to turn off your display, 10-minute or 5-minute or 3-minute. Okay, those things you have to select the option based upon your work. And put the computer to sleep. How many minutes is required? Okay, these are all will boost up your performance. Not required for 30-minute and all. Okay, just you can give us create. That's it, it has been created. So right now you have modified your power into high. Then you have to close. Next, services.msc. We are going to check for the same thing. You can go run command and you can type it for services.msc. Then give us OK. After giving OK, this is what the window will appear. Okay, and over here what you have to do, Windows Update Media Services. You can double click on it. Normally it will shows for automatic. Okay, automatically all update will be appear for the window, but don't do it automatic. In a sense, it will take performance will be low, so you have to select for manual and close this one. Okay, and for the next one, notification, because notification while we are working automatically it will come, right? Those things not required for us, so we are going to disable those things. Right now you can look, it is already off. Okay, off, and some notification will be ticked, right? We have to remove all the notification because not required. You can read it. Suppose if it is required, you can enable it. Something not required, just you can disable. I not required any of the notification, so that's the reason I'm reading. Suppose if it is not required, I'm removing the tick. I remove the tick, and over here I will off for the notification also. Okay, and over here list of application which is available in your desktop, those things also you can look. If it is required, you can enable it, or else you can off. And for the next one, for system security, okay, in the right click you can click it. Suppose if you're having some other software, in a sense those software you can choose it. Because I did not put any software, it is only for default Windows software. Everything showing us green tick. Okay, that means your system will be 100% perfect. Okay, if it is sometimes it will show for red color, so that times we have to do scan up, and we have to delete some junk files. Okay, and for the next one, disk cleanup. Earlier we did disk cleanup, no? So same thing we are going to do, because we did some work right now, and some other cleanup also will be available, some junk files. If you're doing whatever activity, each and everything junk files will be generated. That's the reason it will be very slower. Right now I'm doing it. Okay, just I can track it and put into down. And the next option we are going to do for apps and features. That means applications as well as for the features. Some applications might not be required for us in a daily routine work, so some application we may not know it is installed or not. So such kind of application you can check it over here under this menu, and if it is not required, just you can select and uninstall. Okay, but here everything required for me, I checked. Okay, so suppose if it is not required for you, you can check it and give us uninstalled. Okay, that is a way you can do it. That is what the apps and features settings. This will be showing for disk cleanup, same page only which I explained to you already. Just you can delete it. Okay, delete and keep it as track. And for the next one, okay, I did all the steps, still my computer is not speed up, in a sense this will be the final step. You can go to search and click it as a reset, and now you can give us a get started. Okay, this will be giving for the new laptop. Once you are giving, in a sense, all the junk files as well as unwanted things, everything will be deleted. From here, two option will be there: keep my files and remove everything. If you want to remove everything, you already did some backup, in a sense you can select for remove everything, or else you can give the first option, then you can give us reset. Then you will get for the new computer after complete this option. I think friends, this is enough. These all steps you can do it in your computer and it will maximize your speed. I think this will be very helpful for you. If it is helpful, please you can subscribe and keep on watch.